guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this 3D zoom to any of your photos on a CapCut PC. So we are going to select an image like so, and we're going to select AI stylize, and then we're going to select style. Then after that you are going to search for the motion one, and you're just going to either click this 3D zoom or this one. So we're just going to select it and wait for the process, and it does take a few seconds to process, so just wait for it. It's okay. And as you can see now, whoops. Did it even process? I don't know why it's not processing. Okay, let's use the other 3D zoom then, since it's not processing. There we go. Just takes a few seconds to actually be applied to the photo, and this is what your photo should look like. I'm glad now that they include these styles in the CapCut PC app, now that you can use it anytime you want, either on the PC app or the mobile app. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.